What is Tawhid? It is to acknowledge the existence of a being who cannot be likened to any other being even in the slightest. There is a being who does not resemble any other beings. Then he will not be devoid of attributes either. What does that mean? It means he will not be stripped of them, like what the Mu'tazila did. They said, supposedly if we add 8 attributes here and if we say they are also eternal, well, of course they are eternal. Can attributes be separated from essence in us? Yes, they can. Can attributes be separated from the essence of Allah? No, they cannot. Well, in that case, of course, they are also eternal, meaning they have no beginning. If Allah exists from eternity to eternity, He exists with the attribute of life. He exists with the attribute of knowledge. His knowledge has never disappeared. Ignorance has never affected Him at any time. There is nothing He does not know. So how could you separate those attributes from the essence? When you talk about an essence without attributes, okay, there is such an essence. Well, there is an essence, but is He knowing? Is He hearing? Is He seeing? Is He knowing? Is He powerful? Well, I don't know anything, something like that. Can you talk like that? Could such an absurd creed exist? What did they want to do? Supposedly to keep the essence alone like this. Let's not say the attributes are also eternal separately. What would happen then? They said, if so, then multiplicity of eternals would be necessary. Well, when does multiplicity of eternals become necessary? If you are talking about eternal beings, 1 more, 2 more, 3 more, then multiplicity of eternals, meaning you would be multiplying the beings that are eternal. This is shirk. But when you say there is one eternal being and His eternal attributes, which are also eternal, which exist together with Him, which have never separated from Him and will never separate, when you say that, to whom do those attributes refer? They refer to the one being. Like what? If we list your and my attributes, are we multiplying the person? No. Attributes can be many. The essence is one. What do they all refer to? They refer to that essence. That's why you will not say, like the Wahdat al-Wujud followers, Allah entered me, He entered the Shaykh, He penetrated him, He united with him, He became one with him. You will not say that. Also, He has no attributes. Just, He is a single essence, abstract. Never can He be without attributes. You will definitely not say that either. Do you understand this now? Then what happens? Then you remain firm upon the creed of al-Sunnah.